In this video, I want to give you a walkthrough of AppCommunity, which is our API-based BuddyPress integration for AppPresser. So I'm not going to go over the details of how to set everything up, but you do need to have your the AppCommunity plugin installed and the AppPresser plugin installed, and then to have an account with AppPresser. And then you can log into our app builder and create your pages there. Now we actually have an automatic app builder, a wizard that will help you create all the pages you need in your app once you have those plugins installed. And so you can end up with something like this, where you have an activity page which is going to show your site-wide activity feed. And then you also have a profile page which requires you to be logged in, a messages page, and then you can also add a groups page and a members page as well. So once you are logged in, you can filter the activity feed, you can post updates. The image upload does not work in the browser preview because it does require a device camera. And you can add comments, and we also have a flagging system built in because that is required to pass iOS app review, and a few other features. So if you go to the profile page, you'll see that you have an edit profile where you can actually edit the custom profile fields. These are extra profile fields in BuddyPress if you have those active. And you can also change your avatar and any other extra profile fields you have added. You also have a notification screen where you can see your notifications. So for example, I can see my friendship requests and accept or reject those. And I can see that I have some private messages. If I view my private message, I can go here, and if I'm on my device, I can add an image to the private messages, or I can just go ahead and add them there. And it's the instant message type look. And you can also add these components to an existing app. So for example, if you have an event app and you just want the private message feature for your event attendees, then you can install BuddyPress and AppCommunity and add only the messages and profile components to your app and add the instant messaging there, which is pretty cool. So you don't have to go full on with BuddyPress. A lot of people have online learning communities or membership communities, and they only want one component, like maybe you only want the site-wide activity feed, and you can go ahead and do that. I'm going to show you how to add a new AppCommunity component. We're going to go to Custom Pages, Add New Page, and we choose AppCommunity, and then I'm going to add a members page. So I choose a component which is members. This is very simple. You just kind of tell us what component you want to add, and then I'm going to go ahead and add that to my app menu, and it's going to add the members component and it's going to add it to my side menu. So you'll see that our preview refreshes so that we can take a look at what it looks like now. And then I have the members page, and I just need to add an icon for the menu there, but you'll see that I have these different profiles that I can look at, and I can see my own profile. I can see what other people are doing, send a friend request. I can also send this person a private message. And we also have push notifications which are connected to BuddyPress events. So if you get a private message, if the app is on your device and you subscribe to notifications, you will get a message when you get a private friend request, a new private message, or a public mention. So that will notify you so that you can then open the app and view those. And we have some filtering for the different feeds, for group feeds and activity feeds and things like that. Of course, you can also add other things, like if I wanted to add an icon to my members, I can look up an icon class and then add that there. So you can also add this to other components that come with AppPresser, such as adding a page with WordPress posts. You can add media like podcasts or videos. You can integrate with membership plugins and allow your members to sign up through Facebook. They can register for free through WordPress. You can add them to membership levels and create a very robust app with AppCommunity. You can find more information about this on AppPresser.com.